welcome everybody to day 2 of this exciting 17th NPC, our very first virtual NPC. I must say the organizing team had the usual doubts when doing something for the first time, but it's been a fantastic beginning with having more than 5,000 people logged in online, with people logging in from 40 countries and 6 continents. As my good friend PK was saying, Antarctica is the only one missing, but maybe next year we'll get there. We have had a great beginning to the event with Sridhar Vembu of Zoho setting the stage for more focus on deep tech and building capacity here, a direct support for the strong Atmanirbhar movement, and to take on new opportunities with global shifts that we all know about. We had amazing speakers like Divya Gokulnath of Byju's, Anil Bushri of Workday, spelling out new opportunities in the post-pandemic world, and the day ended with Marty Kagan giving insights how to get the best in product leadership. 2 summits, Work 2.0 and the IoT hardware, and an amazing CXO-CIO Connect with 150 plus CIOs and CXOs providing connects to our product companies to set the day for stage 2. We have an exciting lineup today for you, starting very much with Mohit Bhatnagar of Sequoia with our very own PK moderating. We'll see in the day Salesforce's Arundhati Bhattacharya on reimagining leadership, and the journey of 2 of our newest unicorns, Glance and Razorpay. In fact, with Naveen Tiwari being the one and only guy to create 2 unicorns, one back in 2012, now a second, all ready to set the stage for getting us to 100 unicorns rapidly. And the day would end, as you'll see, with Jay Chaudhary of Zscaler telling us of the opportunities in security. And we'll finally have the legendary Scott McNeely, founder of Sun, closing the day for us. We have 2 more summits for you today. The Health Tech Summit that I'm personally biased towards in the post-pandemic world that's created such changes in behavior of both doctors and consumers. It's created changes in regulations too, with making telemedicine legal. And now with what UPI has done in fintech, watch the space in digital health. So please do attend all these summits. We have finally the FinTech Summit, which will let you see the new opportunities in the space, ending with the FinTech Awards. We need you to encourage our stars. And my favorite today is the Adda, which my colleague P.K. Gulati runs. He used to run this under the Taj Vivanta banyan tree, but sadly no tree, but the talk will be equally exciting. So do tune into them as they come along. I do believe our platform, Zuddle, we've been able to replicate some of the fun and buzz of the face-to-face events. So please go ahead and use the tables for meetings, enjoy the networking opportunities that can be created easily. And of course, do visit the booths and explore the exciting startups there. If there are a few glitches, and of course, in the tech world, why are there no glitches? There are always. Please get back to us and we will improve that. We used to be happy with 2,000 odd people who would attend the Taj at NPC and Taj in Bangalore. But your enthusiasm and support has far exceeded our dreams with 5K plus attendees and attending from so many countries. I think we have achieved our objective at NASSCOM to spread the message far and wide and globally too, as we have people from all over the world logging in. And this is the digital world we used to talk about. Well, guys, it's here forever. So let's get used to it. So let's get together and make the best of this event. And thanks to the amazing NASSCOM team and dedicated volunteers who have put this together for us. So enjoy today.